Hi, welcome to the Power of Love. We've created this series of 5 experiential sessions for us to really feel and understand what Tantra energy is about. What we're really going to work with is the heart, and from the space of the heart, we're going to experience who we really are as essential beings.
From the heart, we're gonna explore and integrate our body, our thoughts, and our sense of pleasure and our sense of connection with others as well, with self and with others.
And I think we're all beings of pleasure and seek pleasure in many different ways. It's in the things that we do in our everyday life. But when we can learn and practice to live from the heart and experience pleasure from the heart, we can find a really new way of living with ourselves and with others, and finding the deeper pleasure that life is always offering us.
And I feel that we are also beings of power, and we are seeking for power. And power is not power over others. Power, to me, it's when you are capable to make the decisions that you want in your life, that you have that sense that you own yourself, you own your life is yours. So in this exploration that we are inviting you, we're going to explore this love, heart, pleasure, and power with your presence in your life.
And we're going to really give you practical experiences and resources how to live from the heart, practicing living and relating from the heart, and just inviting you to experience the transformation that brings.
So join us this January and a little bit of February too. And we'll be happy to have you with us. If you have any questions, just ask us, contact us, send us an email or call us or a text. We are available for you.
Thank you.